A large square region is paved with n square green tiles, each measuring s inches on a side. The border d inches wide, a border d inches wide, surrounds each tile. So these are d inches wide. These are all d. And n square green tiles. So the sides of the green tiles, they are all s. So square being, all sides equal, so all sides are s. And the image shows the case for n equals 3. So the question is, when n is 24, there are 576 green tiles because n square 576, and they cover 64% of the area of the large square. So we need to find this ratio d out of s for the large value of n. So at the start, I thought of marking it all out. We have the sides of the square as s and the gap as d. So what happens is the area of the large white square would be 3s plus 4d. So because s, and this is s, so that's 1, 2, 3, 3s, and 4d, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3s plus 4d square. So that's the length, the side, or length width, whatever, being a square. So this is 3s plus 4d, right? So now when you have, if you had n equals 4, so that would mean another square would be added here. Another 3 squares would be added. Because, sorry, not 3, and another, so you'd have n equals 4, and n squared is 16. So you see what happens is you'd have the d, you would have increased it by 1, so there would be d 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 5d, and s will also increase by 1, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4s plus 5d if n is 4. So if n is 4, you'd have the white square as 4s plus 5d. That the length of the square, the area would be square of that. Okay, so we need to bear this in mind. So when we go to the next thing, that is n is 24, you see we can write 24s plus 25d would be the length of the side. So this is 24s plus 25d, not this one, but the one with 24 row length, 24 squares, so 24 squares. Okay, so we now need to work out the area of the green square would be a square. So now we need to work out the the ratio. So it's given that it would cover 64%, so it would be 576 s square. That's the area of the green tile. Okay, the number of green tiles is 5676, so the area would be 576 s square, and divided by 24s plus 25d, that's the area of the large white square, and that equals 64 out of 100. So if you take the square root of both sides, then you can write 24s out of 24s plus 25d is 8 out of 10. And then after simplifying, you would get d out of s is 6 out of 25. And that is the answer.